Kumusta ka na, kabayan? Kumusta na ang savings mo? Have you ever imagined the day when your contract ends? When your years of working abroad finally stop? And you are supposed to enjoy the fruits of your sacrifices. Pero paano kung dumating ang araw na yon at wala kang naipon, wala kang retirement? This is the hidden fear of many OFWs. Ngayon, we will talk about the untold truth of life abroad, OFWs without retirement, and why we need to start saving with intention. Kasi totoo, hindi sapat ang sipag lang, hindi sapat ang sakripisyo lang. We need to plan for the future, hindi para sa iba, pero para sa sarili natin. Because even heroes, OFWs, the modern day heroes, deserve a peaceful and secure retirement. OFW are called heroes, but behind the word hero is a painful truth. Bakit alis natin ng Pilipinas? Mainiwan tayong pamilya, anak, asawa, magulang. We leave behind birthdays, graduations, anniversaries. We trade memories for money, hindi madali, pero ginawa natin dahil mahal natin sila. Every contract, every year abroad is filled with sacrifice. Yung iba, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years sa abroad. Pero parang hindi pa rin sapat. Because almost everything we earn, pinapadala natin sa Pilipinas. Pang tuition, pang bahay, pang gamot, pang grocery. We give and give and give until wala nang natira para sa sarili. At the end of the day, we tell ourselves, okay lang basta pamilya kong masaya. But the truth is, if we don't prepare for ourselves, one day, tayo ang mahihirapan dahil hindi habang buhay, malakas tayo. Maraming OFW ang umuwi after 20 or 30 years, 40 years abroad with nothing. No savings, no retirement, no house. And this is the sad truth na bihira magpag-usapan. Kasi ang iniisip ng lahat, malaki ang kita abroad, dapat mayaman ka na, but the reality is different. Yung iba, balik abroad kahit 60 years old na kasi wala silang fallback. Yung iba naman, umasa sa anak nila, hoping na ibabalik sa kanila yung suporta na binigay nila noon. Pero minsan, hindi ganun ang nangyayari. Masakit pero totoo. At dahil walang retirement plan, maraming OFWs ang tumatanda ng walang sariling seguridad. This is not a story of failure. It is a story of love. Kaya lang, minsan, sa sobrang pagmamahal sa pamilya, nakalimutan na mahalin ang sarili. Bakit nga ba maraming OFWs walang retirement? Here are the common reasons. Padala culture. Every salary ubos sa padala, walang titira kahit konti, walang naiipon. Lack of financial education. Marami sa atin hindi naturuan kung paano mag-budget, paano mag-invest. Ang alam lang magtrabaho at magsakripisyo. Short-term mindset. Okay lang, may pera pag next month, next contract. But contract ends. Bodies get tired, health declines. Emergencies. Isang sakit lang, isang aksidente, ubos lahat ng ipon. Belief na forever strong. OFWs think they can work abroad forever, pero dating ang panahon, hindi nakakayanin ng katawan. Lahat ng ito, nakaka-relate ang karamihan sa atin. At kung nararamdaman mong ikaw din ang walang savings ngayon, hindi ka nag-iisa, pero kailangan nating tanggapin. Time is passing and the best time to prepare is now. Ang daming OFWs na pagkatapos ng 20, 30, 40 years abroad, nagbabalik sa Pilipinas na parang back to zero. Ang inipon, nauubos. Ang bahay, minsan hindi natatapos. Ang pangarap, minsan hindi natutupad. Pag-uwi, walang trabaho kasi matanda na. Walang business kasi hindi nakapagsimula. Ang iba umaasa sa anak, ang iba nagkautang. And this is the reality many are too ashamed to admit. Hindi dahil tamad tayo. No. OFWs are some of the hardest working people in the world. Pero dahil hindi intentional ang ating savings, wala tayong retirement plan. Kung ikaw ngayon ay nararamdaman mong wala ka ring ipon, wala kang retirement, huwag kang mahiya. Maraming OFW ang ganyan din. Pero, ito ang mahalaga, hindi pa huli. We can start today, we can save with intention, hindi lang basta ipon. Pero ipon na may plano, ipon na may direction, ipon na may purpose. Anong ibig sabihin ng save with intention? Ibig sabihin, hindi lang tayo nagtatabi ng tira-tira, hindi lang tayo umaasa kung ano ang matira sa sahod. Instead, we prioritize savings. Ginagawa natin siyang unahin, hindi huli. Ito ang mga steps to save with intention. Pay yourself first. Every sahod, set aside kahit 10% or 20% para sa ipon mo bago padala, bago gastos. Have clear goals. Hindi lang basta ipon. Dapat may purpose para sa bahay, para sa negosyo, para sa retirement fund. Mas klaro, mas motivated kang mag-ipon. Emergency fund. Magtabi kahit 3 to 6 months worth of expenses para hindi ka mangutang kapag may emergency. Invest wisely. Pag may naipon ka na, wag lang itago sa bangko. Learn about small business investments, insurance, business na sustainable. Discipline over luxury. Hindi masama mag-reward sa sarili pero wag lahat isugal sa luho. Sacrifice now para may peace later. Think long term. Wag lang next contract ang iniisip. Think 10 years, 20 years ahead. Imagine yourself at 60. How do you want to live? Saving with intention is about loving yourself enough to prepare. Kasi hindi selfish ang mag-ipon, hindi selfish ang maghanda. In fact, kapag may ipon ka, mas makakatulong ka pa sa pamilya mo in the long run. OFWs, you are not failures kung wala ka pang ipon ngayon. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Ang mahalaga, you wake up today with a new mindset. A mindset that says, from now on, I will save with intention. Hindi na bahala na, hindi na bukas na lang, kundi ngayon na. Kasi kahit maliit lang ang nagsisimulan, basta consistent, lalaki rin yun. Every peso set aside is a break in the foundation of your future. Mga kabayan, binanggit ko sa mga videos ko, iba kong videos, about Ipon Challenge. And I am here again. This is our day 6 of Ipon Challenge. After 10 to 15 days, balik ka dito at mag-comment at sabihin magkano ang naipon mo. So from there, mamimili po ako na mabibigyan ng 500 pesos para po ma-encourage ang iba na mag-ipon, because the purpose of my channel is to encourage every OFW to save with intention, not just for others, not just for family, because I want you to think of yourself first na mag-ipon. This is our day 6 of Ipon Challenge. Kung ikaw ay OFW, this is for you. And mga kabayan, heroes deserve rest. Heroes deserve dignity. And you, yes, you deserve a retirement filled with peace and joy. Don't let the years of sacrifice end without something for yourself. Start today, save with intention. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, maraming salamat. I-share mo rin sa kapwa nating OFW. Let's spread awareness and encouragement. At saka, wag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at saka mag-comment po. Kung paano ka magsisimula, mag-ipon today. Remember, hindi selfish ang pag-ipon. It's a self-love. And it's the best gift you can give to your future self. Maraming salamat kabayan sa panunood. At huwag kalimutan i-share. At panoorin yung mga iba kong video para po sa mga OFW. sana ay nasa mabuti kang kalagayan at sana ay mabait ang amo mo at kahit hindi, mag-isip ka na ngayon. Alam ko mahirap. Mahirap talaga umpisahan mag-ipon, pero this is for you. And I hope this video helps. Maraming salamat. I'll see you again sa susunod na video po. Take care po.